So we still got a little bit more time before our room is ready. So we're gonna go pick up a few things at the store, and we'll eat them back at the room so you guys can see. Just some things that are unique, different, that maybe we don't normally have in the States. So here we go. So, just got kicked out. Just kidding. They asked me not to do a video there, so we won't. Alright guys, so we're in the room, just two guys, you know, in a hotel room. Nothing's awkward, except for the way Todd's sitting on his bed. So I wanted to try a couple of the different things that we got at the store. We have a lot of stuff actually, so let's just go through it. Yeah, this has like a lot of different writing on it. That's in Japanese, so I don't know what it is. I just bought it. Oh, it says milk caramel on the side, so we'll see if it's enjoyable. A certain way to open these. Oh, here. It slides out. Oh yeah. Cool, it slides out. So it slides out. Obviously they were all in here. Like this. Boom. So let's just try one. Milk caramel. It's probably just a square of milk caramel. That's probably what it is. I mean, that's what it looks like. Actually super good. I really like those. Yeah, they were pretty cheap, I think. But I don't know how the box stays together. I got this drink that I wanted to try. I have no idea what it is. I just saw it and thought it looked really cute. Now I'm gonna try this. Sour paper, it says. Do you want to try it? You don't like sour?
I don't like sour.
Okay. Oh, it's just that's all it is. It's just a sour thing. Just like most sour candy in the States, it's pretty much the exact same thing. And next is this. It's I don't know. Choco Bat Ace. No, Choco. It says Choco Bat Ace. I don't know what that means, Choco Bat Ace, but that's what it says. Chocolate Bat. It's Chocolate Bat Ace. Oh wow. Super soft. I mean, it doesn't even crunch. Just super soft.
That's weird.
Almost like melts in your mouth.
It's like a old donut. But
Yeah, it's like yeah, it's like the taste of an old donut. Like the consistency.
it tastes like the little chocolate donut minis.
Oh yeah.
That chocolate taste.
Yeah, it tastes just like that if you left it out for a while. I mean, I'm not trying to bag on this company. I mean, just
But it's good.
that's what it tastes like. All right, let's try this. Another thing that looks kawaii, which is cute in English. It's just, I thought it would be interesting to try all this like cutesy type food, candy. So we'll try it.
This Sean's cutesy.
Because I'm cute. Right, ladies? Right? What? No? Oh, never mind. Okay. Here's what they look like. It's like a bunch of little balls. Oh, what the heck? That's cool. So it's got this little trigger on it. You pull down on it and it's got like a spring. It opens up this to pour out for people. So, like that. Pretty cool.
Is that gum? It tastes like gum.
It tastes like it's gum, yeah. No, I don't think it is though. It's a really good flavor though. Very sweet.
I think it's gum.
It probably is gum. When you eat a lot of them at once, you can tell. Oh, that's why on the picture they're blowing a bubble.
It's gum though.
Yeah, it's good. Now we'll try another thing that's kind of kawaii. Because we have that theme. It's these gummy things, I think. I don't know. Interesting. Let's try it out. It's like little dudes. It looks like they're on an ice tray. So you gotta peel the back. Oh, it's not peeling too good.
Is that edible?
I think that's edible. How are you supposed to do? Pop
Just
it out?
Pop it.
Okay, so I guess you pop it out and you just peel it and you just eat the back of it with the little wrapper. That's crazy. Okay. There you go.
Edible? Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
Rice paper.
Rice paper, that's what it is. Rice paper. So it's the back is actually rice paper. Interesting. The actual character dudes, they're actually just gummy. Okay, now we'll do some more cutesy candy. There's little, it looks like lightsabers. If it is, I'll be surprised. Oh, it's like interesting.
Oh.
And then here's one for me. You'll see it's almost like two lightsabers together. It's like got a crease in the middle. I don't know if you can see that.
With the smaller hole.
Yeah, with it and the hole smaller. So let's try it. Oh, yeah, it's chewable.
Wow.
It reminds me of those on Halloween's, those little bones that were in like the boxes. It's almost the same thing. Like, but with a lemony taste.
Kind of like
Or some kind of citrus taste. Alright, so next is tiny little pieces of
It's like rock candy.
rock candy, probably, or something like that. That's what it looks like. So,
I think it is. I like these things. It's just sugar.
oh crap.
Yeah, these are just sugar.
So they look like super small.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's basically like rock candy, or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Just hard chunks of sugar.
Good.
Pretty good.
I eat these all day.
Alright, we got the one last thing is this. It's a little ball. Oh.
It's squishy.
Oh,
What is that? Gum?
it's like really chewy. With gum? Alright, we got another gummer. Got another one with gum.
It's sweet. It's good.
I don't think it's gum.
Yeah, it is kind of going away.
Yeah, it's weird because it's like when you first put it in your mouth, the outer shell like breaks away. So the outer shell is definitely candy, but inside
Sour.
it tastes like it's gum. But
It dissolves.
it kind of just starts slowly dissolving after a while.
That totally has a consistency of gum.
It's weird. I've never tasted anything with that consistency that tastes exactly like gum consistency. Yet, is it? Hey Sean, I know you're editing this video right now. This is what I'm going to tell you. You're doing a great job. Keep it up, buddy.